All right. Here's what's going on. So this right here was a clean out. This was supposed to be attached to that, but it was leaking profusely. So we're gonna cut here, put a no hub band. This just dirty arms over, and it 90s in right here. But it's also in the crawl space, which there is zero access. It's also broken. So we're cutting the floor right here to get access below, so we can repair it from up top. But this has to be right about there. Goes to the corner there. At least we got to save the drywall, right?
Yeah.
It's one less job. So this used to be the old drain. This is the vent. I'm gonna cut it right there. Gonna redo all of this. Put a clean out right here, test tee. Yep, it used to be a clean out, but they had drywalled over it, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yep. And then you put the wood back down yet?
You can just lift that.
I just want to.
Move that piece. Move that other piece. Move that other piece too.
That's all right. I just want to get a 2-inch ABS, 45. Luckily, there's a tiny little jammer on that. I can put a coupling on. Glue it. Okay. All right, so we got the no hub bizand, 1.5 to 2-inch. Put a little clean out right there, and then just need to get a longer piece. The ABS, we'll put a 45 like that. There you go.